In this guide, we're going to discuss how to add or remove a technician, change their settings, and enable SD Mobile usage for them. Like with ServiceDesk Office users, technician users and settings are located in the Settings form in ServiceDesk. To get there, click the File Functions drop-down in the upper left-hand corner of the software and choose Settings from the list. In case you're unfamiliar, the Settings page is broken into two sections. The top, which is green, is settings local just to this installation of ServiceDesk and will not affect other computers or users. The bottom section, in purple, is global or net-wide settings. These are settings which affect all other installations of the software in your organization. Everything having to do with users is in the net-wide settings section. On the top is Office users, the bottom is technicians. Adding a technician is as simple as typing their first and last name in the input above the respective section and hitting enter on your keyboard. You will see the name entered appear in the technician list box. It is important to enter only the first and last name, and enter a name which will have unique initials. Clicking on a technician's name will display that specific technician's settings in a pane to the right. Anything here will affect only the technician you currently have selected. You can always exit this pane by hitting Escape on your keyboard. Within a technician's settings, you can edit their personal information and SD Mobile settings if they're using it. Dispatch map settings, such as their color, route line style, and starting icon location. Below is inputs for automated route optimization, and other miscellaneous settings. Here you can enter the tech's home location on the map if they don't start their route at the office. This will be notated in coordinates. You can get the coordinates by clicking on the location of that tech's starting location on the dispatch map in ServiceDesk. Or, if you know their address, typing it in a call sheet, as the call sheet will automatically display address coordinates after the address. Coordinates will look like a number, followed by an asterisk, then another number, like this. In the SD Mobile section, you can check this box to enable the mobile app usage for this technician and set the password they'll use to sign in. In this video, we will not go over how to use SD Mobile or SD Mobile Link, just note that this is where you enable or disable usage for technicians. The Special Duties and Rights button opens a sub-window, which allows you to choose if you want the selected tech to have specific permissions, different from other techs, within the SD Mobile mobile app. Before removing a technician from the list, it's important to make sure routing and part information associated with that tech has either been correctly removed or reassigned to another technician. Once you're ready to remove a technician entirely, you just select them on the list, and click the Delete key on your keyboard. Once you've made the changes you want to your settings, be sure to click Save Net-Wide Values in the bottom right of the settings page.